welcome to the part 2 of the video, guys. So this is how the keyboard looks like, and the button with the issue that I was telling you about in my first video is this one right here, and the other buttons of the keyboards they work fine, so they're not having any issues so far. You see, of course there are marks right here, just by when I'm at the computer and typing, of course I've been using the wrist rest, and when I'm using my hand by here, of course in this part is more glossy, because over time this thing gets they get how should I explain to you, the material, they will deteriorate over time because of the usage and the way you're typing and all that. Of course this is very normal. And of course this button also, if you see in this part, is more glossy than the other buttons, of course. So the combination that I was made with this keyboard, because the i7 860, pardon, and the Gigabyte P55 UD3, it has a feature into the BIOS that it actually allows you to turn on your computer without touching the button of the case. So right now everything is working fine, just because I added inside the hole of the button a ball of paper. Right now when I'm touching it, it's more stiffer, so everything is back to normal, so alongside with the others. Anyway, so I'm going to show you exactly what I fixed. So the computer starts perfectly fine. Before I was not able to do that because this button created more problems, and I had to press harder to turn on the computer, and it was giving me the impression that the computer has something, maybe the motherboard or something else. And of course the computer works fine. I'm going to show you into the BIOS, so we're gonna go to the first we're going to go into the BIOS, so I can show you so I can show you the feature that it has for the when powering on the computer. So we're going to wait, and then we're going to hit the Del key. Sorry for the autofocus. Right here at the power management, the power on by keyboard. So you have the, if you're pressing enter, you have the password. You can also use the password when you turn on your computer. Disabled, and the keyboard 98, and that is all. So the computer will start perfectly fine. Just because I take her off the keyboard and clean her up inside, and added the bowl, the paper bowl that I was telling you about. Yeah, of course, if you're more interested to know about this keyboard, of course, how you can open up, opening the keyboard up, pardon. It has in this area it has 2 screws, and right here it has another three screws, and on the middle another 4 screws, so they can hold back in place the plastic cover. So it has right here the rubber feet. Of course this one are pop right up, so you can attach your keyboard to your table, and from the other side, of course, and you can remove the cap. It has also a couple of the tabs right here. It has 4 of them. All you have to do is just press here with your fingers, and the cover will pop up anyway. So this is how I fixed my keyboard, the one button, the power button. If you have any questions, I'll be here to answer you. Thank you for watching once again, and see you guys in the other videos.